All right, another thing we've been studying in statistics are two-way frequency tables. And two-way frequency tables are a way to organize some of our data. And here, as you can read, we've got a county orchestra. We've got middle school and high school students who are trying out for the orchestra. And they're going ahead and selecting in some sort of survey whether they're middle school or high school, and then whether they'd prefer to play the guitar, the piano, or the drums. So here we can go ahead and we can put into our text box, we can put into our table the information that's given. So 12 middle school students select guitar, 8 middle school students select drum or piano, and then 5 select drums. At the high school level, 4 select guitar, 12 select piano, and 3 select drums. So a frequency table here will just tell us how many have chosen in each category. We can go ahead and total these up. There are 25 middle school students will be trying out versus 19 high school students. We'll have 16 total playing guitar. We'll have 20 total playing piano, 8 total playing drums, for a total of 44 people. Now, we can always answer questions of this, like which instrument was played by most by middle school students. Well, middle school students picked guitar most. Which student has played least by all candidates? Now we're looking in the total column. So that answer is drums. Um, and this will help us gather information and find information about different different amounts. But if we want to see like the percentages, we can go ahead and look at creating what's called a relative frequency table. So what we want to do when we have a relative frequency table is we want to take the total number of guitar students divided by the total. So we want to take and input in here 12 divided by 25 and turn that into a percentage. You can also leave it as a 2 decimal places. Either one works. So 12 into 25 would be 44%. 8 into 25 is 32%. And then 5 into 25 is 20%. So what I've done here is I've taken my totals in my row and divided them by my row total. This is a row relative frequency table. The row total should be 100%. We can also do this as a column and divide by the column totals. Now here my numbers will be a little bit more complicated. 4 divided into 19 will give me 21%. And then what do I got? 12 into 19 for 63%. And then finally, 3 into 19 for 16%. And again, these will all add to be 100% total. And you can then answer questions based on this information. Like if a middle school student, is most likely to select guitar. If a student plays drums, are they more likely to be a middle school or a high school student? Well, based on this, they're more likely to be a middle school student.